Get ready to indulge in the ultimate chocolate lover's dream with our recipe for Decadent Chocolate Lava Cake. This sinfully rich and indulgent dessert is the perfect balance of a velvety chocolate cake exterior and a gooey, molten chocolate center. Prepare to be swept away by the intense chocolate flavor and the irresistible pleasure of each luscious bite. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need half a cup unsalted butter. Next, 8 ounces of high-quality dark chocolate, chopped. Add a 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Mix in half a cup powdered sugar. Now, let's move on to the eggs. You will need 3 large eggs. Separate 3 large egg yolks. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget a pinch of salt. If desired, you can serve the lava cake with ice cream or whipped cream. For garnish, fresh berries can be added. Let's move on to the instructions. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit 220 degrees Celsius. Grease and lightly flour individual ramekins or oven-safe bowls. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the butter and dark chocolate together in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each interval until smooth and fully melted. Set aside to cool slightly. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour and powdered sugar. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the eggs, egg yolks, vanilla extract, and salt until well combined. Gradually pour the melted chocolate mixture into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to ensure a smooth consistency. Gently fold the flour mixture into the chocolate mixture until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Divide the batter evenly among the prepared ramekins, filling them about 3/4 full. Place the ramekins on a baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center should still be slightly jiggly. Carefully remove the ramekins from the oven and let them cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, using oven mitts or a towel, carefully invert each ramekin onto a serving plate to release the lava cake. Serve the decadent chocolate lava cakes immediately while still warm. Pair them with a scoop of your favorite ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. For an elegant touch, garnish with fresh berries. Indulge in the velvety, molten chocolate center as it oozes out, complementing the moist cake exterior. Let the intense chocolate flavor captivate your taste buds and savor each sinfully rich bite. Note: be cautious when consuming the lava cake, as the center will be hot. Allow it to cool slightly before enjoying. Decadent chocolate lava cake is a dessert that will leave you craving for more. Its heavenly combination of textures and flavors makes it a showstopper for any occasion. Treat yourself and your loved ones to this sinfully rich delight and witness the sheer pleasure it brings. Get ready for a truly indulgent experience that will satisfy even the most insatiable chocolate cravings. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.